I need to replace 4 of the panels on our fence in the garden, and I thought this would be the perfect time to do a comparison video between brushing and spraying fence panels. You can pick up inexpensive sprayers like this one for about £30 now. So I wanted to see how much time using one actually saves. At the end of the video, I'll post a table comparing how much time you can actually save depending on how many panels you have to paint. I'll be including the setup time for both methods and filling up the paint sprayer when it's empty. First, I'm going to paint this panel by hand to see how long it takes. So as you can see, it took me 12 minutes and 34 seconds, but if you look closely at the panel, it isn't fully covered by brushing. It's really hard to get into all of the crevices on these fence panels, so brushing it can be a little bit of a nightmare. Next up, I'm going to spray this panel to see what the time difference is. This one took me 2 minutes and 25 seconds. Now this one could probably do with a second coat. This paint's probably been thinned down a few too many times now. I painted the other side of the fence for my neighbours and they've got the wooden coloured fence stain and that covered fine with one coat. So let's cover the time saving. Now I'm not going to take into account doing second coat or the touch-ups because this isn't exactly scientific and this video isn't exactly going to be published in the Journal of Fence Painting. In our garden we've got 27 fence panels, meaning that if I was to brush each one of them it would take me 340 minutes to paint the fences, which is 5 hours and 40 minutes. You'd also likely slow down as you were going through fatigue, so this would probably take you slightly longer. If I was to use the sprayer for all of these panels to paint them, it would take me 65 minutes, so just over an hour. We bought this sprayer just after we moved in when we first started painting the fences. I think we painted 2 fence panels before realising that it was going to take forever, so we bought the sprayer to make it much quicker. Our fence panels are the 6 by 5 foot ones, so even if your panels are a different size or you've got different fencing, it gives you a rough idea to go off. So here's a table showing you how long that brush painting and spraying takes for different amounts of panels with the time saved included. So as you can see, you only need to paint 6 fence panels before you save yourself an hour by spraying them. With all that time saved, I personally will never be brushing any fences again, that's for sure. As always, thank you for watching. If this video has helped you out, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel for more videos like this, and I'll see you in the next one.